How to make color wheel hot air balloons. Whoosh! As always, you're going to write your name and your teacher's name on the back of your paper. Flip it over. Color wheel. We've got red, yellow, blue, orange, violet, green. Let's mix. Our first step is we're going to paint a red triangle. Red is a primary color. Ooh, I'm fast. Rinse out your brush. Step 2, paint a yellow triangle. Yellow is also a primary color. Rinse out your brush. Step 3, paint a blue triangle. I'm Speedy Gonzalez. Step 4, mix red and yellow to make orange. Orange is a secondary color. That means you have to mix one primary and one primary. Step 4, mix yellow and blue to make green. Green is a secondary color, which means you mix one primary and one primary. Step 4, mix red and blue to make violet, which is a fancy word for purple. Violet is also a secondary color. That means you mix one primary and one primary to get one secondary color. Your color wheel looks fabulous. Now put it on the drying rack. Welcome back. This is day 2 to making our hot air balloon color wheels. So far, we have painted our color wheel, and all of the colors that are in the color wheel should be in the same order as mine. So if they aren't in the same order, then what you're going to do is you're going to get some paint, and I will give you a painting palette, and we're just going to paint right over top of these so that they're the perfect color, okay? So let's go ahead and go over what colors should be in our color wheel first. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. And violet is a fancy word for purple. That is right. So what do these things spell? Roy G. Biv. Nice job. So now we're going to assemble our color wheel. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our scissors and cut out our color wheel all the way around, and then you're going to join me here on my white piece of paper to start assembling. Are you ready? The thing we're going to do is we're going to take our blue paper. This is going to be blue for our sky. On the back of our paper, we're going to write our name nice and clearly so I can read it, and we're going to write our teacher's name. So not Mrs. Cassin's name, but your homeroom teacher. This is glue. It looks like paint, but it's not paint, it's glue. So you're gonna dip it in there. We're gonna paint it on the back. You don't have to cover the whole thing, just the edges, and then maybe a little bit in the center. Now I'm going to position it onto my blue paper, the hot air balloon the very top, and now we're gonna smooth it out with our hands like we're giving our color wheel a nice massage. Now we're going to add our basket, and we have some strips of paper like this. I'm gonna cut them in half. And I chose to pick 2 colors. You can pick any 2 colors that you'd like for your basket of your hot air balloon. And now we're gonna glue our hot air balloon basket onto the bottom. This is where the people hang out. Nice job. Now I'm going to add clouds. So I have some cotton balls right here, and then you're gonna kind of stretch your cotton balls a little bit. I have some that are stretched, they're nice and fuzzy. Soft. And then you're gonna put a little bit of glue where you want your clouds to go. Now, our basket and our hot air balloon need to connect. So that's when I'm going to bring some of my colored pencils in. So we can put these things aside. You're gonna rinse out your brush in the sink with a little bit of water. Rinse it out really, really good. And then you're gonna put that away. So I'm gonna make a line that goes from my balloon to my basket. Kind of like a scallop line. Remember we did scallop lines? Gonna make some details on my balloon. And then, if we have time, we're gonna make our own person that goes inside of our hot air balloon.